Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the crew, like what we had before. Yeah, I got my car back.
Sorry about the
Yeah, sorry about the last video. It was some technical difficulties because my phone died. Yep, it was shit. But yeah, anyways, we're back. So welcome, subscribe, enjoy. Hey, Sniper Assassin, you there?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, he's back, guys. The Stig brother is back. Better than ever. Okay. So, for some reason, he is trying to do backflip. I have
I
caught.
can.
I have caught a natural being of the universe in its natural habitat doing backflips. Oh shit! Train. Nailed it.
I'll make it.
Straight up nailed it.
Pole.
That was perfect.
You know you can jump on it
Where'd he go?
on the train.
Bye. I'm coming. Oh wait.
Hello.
What the fuck? You fucking just spin around. Oh yeah, guys, if this video cuts out again, I'm sorry. But yeah, we are having technical difficulties, but if it cuts out and don't make it an outro, I will do another part, so it will be part 3 of the crew, the 2-man crew. Okay, so anyways, where you going, Sniper Assassin?
Nowhere.
Bullshit.
I couldn't make it too far without crashing.
Yeah, true. Wall ride. Not even. Well, there's a song. Oh,
What's the song called?
give it to me, baby.
Full ride.
Ow.
360 backflip. That wasn't really a 360 backflip. It was more like a
Shit backflip.
nothing. It's more like a 180 front flip. And then it fell off my bike.
Actually, wait, I'm gonna get my bike. With Sniper Assassin, do you have on my BMX?
Yes.
Go get it. I'll come to you. So yeah, I'll go get my BMX now. Oh wow. Fuck. Yeah, Kobe. Bye. Fucking hell.
Trains these days.
Every time when I jump that, a train has to come past. And now I have a banana car.
I'm a banana.
I'll meet you at the beach.
Yep.
Look at me. I'm a banana.
I have a banana car, and it's horrible, look at it.
I'm a banana.
Don't beep at me, bitch.
It's a banana car. A beautiful, beautiful green, yellow, and banana cars.
My banana's pink.
Cars, banana cars.
I'm a banana.
Damn it.
I'm a banana.
Pink banana.
I'm a banana.
Yeah, sorry about all the cars I'm missing, guys. They don't really have insurance, and I lost them. But yeah.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Look at me.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go away.
Stay.
Let's gonna say
Drink, click, find a ball like that. Bitch like me, hard to come back.
Patron, Pong, let's get it on. Oh, fuck that song, man. Wheelie. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah.
All the bitches in the crew.
Look at that. Oh.
Oh, there's a glitch around here.
Gotcha.
There's a glitch around here.
Fucking nigga.
Stop it.
Wheelie, yes, in the ass.
There's a glitch around here. That one over there. Go to it. Oh, it's a cool glitch.
Yeah, guys. Wow, this video is not cutting out yet, but the video may cut out soon. It always does at 5, so yeah. Hopefully next part of this we will be at the beach.
Or we'll be doing glitches
True.
near the beach.
Or tricks. With our BMXs.
Just saying. Just do the outro now, just in case. Just in case.